Welcome to the eBusiness Boss channel. If you haven't been here before, hello, my name's Nick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a product idea inside of a product idea. Now, I know that sounds a little bit strange, but people so often talk about the importance of finding a niche and serving a very particular end of the market. And in this video, I just want to show you a really useful exercise that you can do to find slightly different types of products. So it's easy to find product ideas. I think everyone can find a good product idea, but it's knowing how to find a particular niche and how to find a slightly different end of the market that you can target with your product offering. So if you are new here and you're interested in this sort of content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications bell, because that way you'll be the first to know about useful videos just like this. Right, if you watched my last video, or it might have been the one before last, I was talking about this product idea, which was a wooden towel rail, okay, and wooden towel rack. And yeah, I was looking at this product idea thinking, do you know what, I think somebody could come in and soak up some sales here, no problem. But if it was me, and if I was just starting out, I might be looking at this in the top left corner, seeing that it's one of 5,000 results and thinking, can I do any better than that? And it got me thinking, well, this might be a good video idea for the channel to show you guys how you can niche down. Okay, we refer to it as niching down. So you find a product idea, but then you find a very small niche within that idea. So with this idea, we're looking for people that want to buy something to hang their towels on, probably in the bathroom. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. A towel rack, a towel rail, towel hooks, whatever you want to call them. So we found a need there, okay? But then there are different types of people, and people want different things. And we are in the business of looking on Amazon to see where there is demand and where there isn't too much quality competition, okay? So again, I'm going to be using a tool I use a lot, and it's Helium-10's Magnet. Now, if you want to use this, you can get 10% off every month. If you use my coupon, I'll leave that in the description below. If you do use it, we will make a commission. We almost always make you guys aware of that. Okay, it's only fair. It doesn't make it more expensive, it makes it cheaper. But anyway, so I've gone into Magnet, and if you're in a spot where you're looking at a product idea thinking, shouldn't I go ahead? Well, if you aren't sure, don't do it. Okay, do some more research first. And this is an exercise you can do to give you some clarity on that idea. So I've gone into Magnet and I've just searched the main keyword, which is wood towel rack. Okay, so you can see here 1,200 searches a month. To get to page 1, CPR 8-day giveaways is 40. And then I want you to do something with these filters. Okay, so you can also use this area here, the word frequency box, to give you some inspiration. So are there any words there that you could add into this? So we've got a wood towel rack, but we could look at bamboo, we could look at industrial, we could look at all these different types to see if there is a better opportunity for us elsewhere. But anyway, we're really looking for keywords that have a minimum of 1,000 searches a month. Okay, so it has to be a particular product idea, needs a minimum of 1,000 searches a month. That usually works quite well for us. So we're going to set the filters here, 1 to 2,000 search volume, and we're going to ask for no more than 1,000 competing products. So hit apply and have a look at some of these keyword ideas. So what we're looking for is, obviously the keyword has to be an idea in itself. So this is slightly different. These are rustic shelves for bathroom, okay? Nearly 2,000 searches a month, under 1,000 competing products, 40 CPR, not too bad. Keep going down and you can get different types of ideas. So if you do decide to sell a wooden towel rack and you're thinking, what product should I bring out next? Because it's all about building a brand around a community of people, okay? So to be known as an authority in a particular niche, you can really help yourself by selling lots of complementary products, okay? You're building a brand. So if we've just started selling our wooden towel racks, well, we're definitely going to be interested in finding some more and different types of towel racks to sell, okay? We're finding a very small niche, which might be towel racks, and we're finding different areas of the market and building ourselves up as an authority. So you've got all sorts of ideas here. People, hot tub towel rack, pool towel hooks. So I'd imagine they'd need to be waterproof. Keep going down, okay? And just have a look through. Now you can play with the filters more. You can turn down some of these limits that I've set, but this has given me an idea that I wanted to show you guys. So we've got a couple here. So industrial towel bar, That's interesting. Only 32 sales, so 8 less sales to get on page 1. And we are here, okay? So this is the one I think is really interesting. So it's industrial pipe towel bar. So this is a very different type of towel rack. It's not wooden, or at least it's probably not going to be if it's going to look like an industrial pipe. It's got quite a good magnet IQ score, which is just Helium 10's algorithm. The higher this is, usually the better the keyword. The search volume is over 1,000. We've only got 584 competing products. That's quite low, okay? And you're only going to need 32 sales over 8 days to get onto page 1. That's quite impressive. So just by doing this, by using Magnet, which is a brilliant tool, you can plug directly into Amazon's keyword data and use it to your advantage to find other product ideas. So if we were thinking about selling the wooden towel rack, maybe we're already selling it, we might want to have a look to see if there's some better opportunities. And this, in my opinion, is a better opportunity, okay? And I'll show you. So a wood towel rack. So look, we've got people here, this person, 1,300 reviews, very simple, very well established, under $12. Let's have a look at the numbers. And this is what it's about. It's about getting a feel for markets, okay? Finding your place and not being afraid to double check your idea and seeing if there is an idea that might be better for you as a beginner. So let's have a look. Revenues, we've got from 2,000 all the way up to 125,000. But what we're interested in here is the review count. So we can see on page 1 in the top 10, there are 1, 2, 3, well, almost 4, with over 1,000 reviews. This one's got 5,000 reviews, 4,000 reviews, okay? So that's instantly going to be a lot more competitive. So let's look at the other product idea that we found using this method. Okay, so we've got these, and instantly, as soon as you sort of scroll down, you can see that actually they've got much less reviews and the price is slightly higher. So there's less competing products, the reviews are lower, and the price is higher. I'm sure you can see why this is a useful exercise, okay? And it's quite a simple one. It's a different form of product research. So I think people always get, sucked into, I must use black box, I must use these tools to find this perfect product idea, when actually you can also use another one of Helium 10's tools and look at the actual keyword data. Because as you become more experienced as an Amazon seller, you're going to be using and looking at that data yourself anyway, manually. You get used to it, but you can actually use the data and get it in about 1/10 of the time. Okay, to find all this information manually, it would take hours, but you've got this tool. So we can find words that are associated, find different product ideas, and yeah, I mean, look at this. Loads of products here with healthy sales revenue. Nothing crazy, which we're not too bothered about if we're just starting out. The sales here, we're between 100 and sort of 300 a month. Well, if you're just starting out, maybe your first order, you're only putting in an order for a couple of hundred, maybe 200 or 300 units. Our first order was 500 units. But you can see the review count. Look at this. None of these have got a review count over 200. So yeah, that was something I wanted to share with you guys in a sort of product research discussion the other day. We were talking about this and I just thought it's something I should probably share with you. So yeah, hopefully you found that useful. If you want a bit more in-depth training on this, we have of course got a course. You can still benefit from a discount on that course. If you look in the link below, you'll find a link that will lead you to that discount. So yeah, we'd love to have you in the community. We've got loads of happy students enjoying the course and yeah, making use of our 5 years worth of experience selling on Amazon. Obviously, we work for ourselves full time. We're in our own office. This is office number 3. So we're really enjoying it. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Turn on that notifications bell. There'll be more useful content coming from us very soon.